All right, let's talk push day. Today, we're not just doing a workout, we are building the ultimate push day routine, right from the ground up. I'm going to give you a complete, expert-guided plan designed for serious strength and muscle growth. So, let's just dive right in.
So how do you build the perfect push day workout? That's the big question, right? And we're going to answer it today. Look, this isn't just about giving you a random list of exercises. Oh no, we're handing you a complete, structured blueprint, a real game plan for building strength and size. And here's our game plan. Super simple. First, we lay the foundation. What is a push workout? Then we build our three main pillars: chest, shoulders, and triceps. And to top it all off, we've got a killer finisher that ties everything together. Okay, first things first, the foundation. You know, to really squeeze every last drop of progress out of each rep, we gotta understand what a push day is all about, and more importantly, why it works so incredibly well.
So, what is it? Put simply, push day is all about training those muscles that, well, push weight away from your body. Think about it, your chest, shoulders, and triceps all work together as a team. By hitting them all in one go, you create this amazing synergy. It's a fantastic way to boost your upper body strength and make sure everything grows in balance. It's just smart, efficient training, plain and simple.
All right, foundation's set. Now, let's get to the good stuff and build our first pillar, the chest. These next couple of exercises, these are the absolute cornerstones of a powerful push day. We're talking about building some serious, raw power and size right here. And of course, we're kicking things off with the king of all upper body lifts, the barbell bench press. This is your #1 strength builder, period. The beauty of this movement is that it's not just a chest exercise. It pulls in your shoulders and your triceps for the ride, making it ridiculously efficient. This is where you really want to focus on progressive overload, you know? Just keep adding a little more weight over time. That's how you get stronger. Okay, next up, we're shifting gears a bit to focus on shape and proportion with the incline dumbbell press. Look, if you want to build that full, awesome-looking upper chest, this is the exercise you need to be doing. The real secret here? That mind-muscle connection. Don't just heave the weight up and down. I mean, really feel your upper chest squeezing and working through every single inch of the movement. All right, chest work is in the bag. Time to build our second pillar, the shoulders. This is how we get that wide, powerful physique. You've heard of the V-taper, right? Where your shoulders are nice and broad? Well, this is how we build it. The dumbbell shoulder press. It's a classic for a reason, right? It just works. It hits the whole shoulder, making you stronger and broader. Now listen up. The key here is picking the right weight. You want something that's heavy enough to make you struggle for those last couple of reps, aiming to fail somewhere in that 10 to 12 rep range. That's the magic zone for growth. Now for that classic wide shoulder look, we gotta isolate the side delts. That's the muscle right on the side of your shoulder that gives you that width. And for that, the dumbbell lateral raise is your best friend. But let me be clear, form is everything on this one. Leave your ego at the door, grab a lighter weight, and stop all that swinging. It's all about a slow, controlled motion so you can really feel that burn exactly where you're supposed to. Okay, this next one is really cool. It's amazing how just one tiny little change to a movement can make a huge difference in how your muscles fire up. We're going to look at the classic shoulder press versus the Arnold press. It's a game changer. So what's the big deal? The Arnold press adds this unique rotation. That simple twist forces your shoulders to work through a much longer range of motion, and that means you're hitting the front and side parts of your shoulder way more effectively. Seriously, if you want to take your shoulder development to the next level, you have got to give this one a shot. All right, let's move on to our third and final pillar, the triceps. And here's a fun fact for you. Your triceps actually make up about 2/3 of your upper arm mass. So yeah, if you want bigger arms, you better be training your triceps hard. First up for triceps, the skull crusher. Yeah, sounds intense, but it's an absolutely incredible isolation exercise for packing on size. Control is the name of the game here. You want to keep those elbows pinned in one spot and really focus on that slow, controlled movement. Get a nice deep stretch at the bottom and then a powerful squeeze at the top. You'll feel it, trust me. Okay, this next one is non-negotiable for arm definition, the rope pushdown. This movement hits the lower part of your triceps, which is what really gives your arm that sharp, chiseled look. The trick is to keep your elbows glued to your sides, and when you get to the bottom, I want you to squeeze hard for a good 1 or 2 seconds before coming back up. Okay, deep breath. We have built our 3 pillars: chest, shoulders, and triceps. Now it's time to lock it all in place with one final powerful finisher, Then we'll lay out the entire blueprint for you. And for our finisher, bodyweight dips. Why this one? It's the perfect way to end the day because it hits all 3 muscle groups we just worked: chest, shoulders, and triceps all at the same time. It's an incredible compound move that's going to completely finish off those muscles and really push your body to grow. And there it is, your complete push day blueprint, all laid out from start to finish. 8 exercises, all sequenced perfectly to help you build maximum strength and muscle. It's all right here for you. So, look, you've got the blueprint, you've got the techniques, you've got the knowledge. The only question left now is, are you ready for your next push day? Take this plan, be consistent, and go build the strongest upper body you've ever had. Now go get it done.